two ways to solve this question. Like they say, you will prove say this one will give you this one, and be the instruction, and prove that this one will give you this one. The two ways we will do, ma divide this board into two like this. To solve, now I go focus on. Ma see whether this one will give me exactly what I get here. I know say tan theta. Now waiting. Now still tan theta. Now the first method I dey use now. Plus cot theta. I don't teach you say now 1 over tan theta. So the next thing I go do, I will look for the LCM of 1 and tan theta. The LCM now tan theta. 1 into tan theta will give us tan theta. Tan theta times tan theta will give us tan square theta. When I say 1 into tan theta, I mean tan theta divided by 1 will give you tan theta. Tan theta times tan theta, tan square theta, plus tan theta divided by tan theta will give you 1. 1 times 1, 1. Recall that, let me remember say tan square theta plus 1. Now formula equal to sec square theta. That means tan square theta plus plus 1 will give you sec square theta. Now formula. That means in place of tan square theta plus 1, I will replace am with this sec square, because this one will give you sec square theta. So in place of this one, I will replace am with sec square theta, then over this tan theta. Hope you understand. Now remember say sec square theta itself, because sec now 1 over cos theta. Sec theta now 1 over cos theta. So sec square theta will be 1 over cos square theta. Cos square theta. Remember that one. Divided by tan theta. And you know say tan theta now the same thing as sin theta over cos theta. Very simple. Oh. Remember say tan theta now sin theta over cos theta. Remember say, like I said, sec square theta equal to 1 over cos square theta. Now what they use here. Now, according to this division of fraction, if I change division sign to multiplication sign, I'll get 1 over cos square theta times, if I change this to multiplication, I will invert the term, I will flip am. Cos will go up, sign will come down. I can get cos theta over sin theta. What will be the final thing I will do? I fit still say 1 times cos theta, cos theta, cos square theta times sin theta. But the best way to do, I say cos square theta go reduce one of this one. This cos square theta means cos theta times cos theta. So if I cancel this square now, it means that cos theta go remain. And then wetin go remain here now 1 over cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta. So 1 over cos theta sin theta. 1 over sin theta cos theta. If you flip am na the same thing. If you shuffle am because na multiplication. Hope see clear. The second method, from here, when you see tan theta plus cot theta, if tan theta will give you sin theta over cos theta, then cot theta na be cos theta over sin theta, because cot they talk about the inverse of sine, inverse of tan. If tan na sine over cos, cot na inverse of tan. So inverse of tan means it switch this one, then you can get cos over. You understand? Make I tell you again. See tan theta na sin theta. I know say you no understand. I make I repeat over cos theta. Then cot theta na inverse of tan theta. And you don't already know say tan theta na this one over this. So 1 over sin theta over cos theta. So inverse of this one means make you flip this one upside down. If I get 1 over 2 over 3, inverse means flip this one upside down. Answer will come be 3 over 2. If I get 1 over A over B, inverse means flip this one upside down. I can get B over A. So inverse of this one mean waiting. Flip am upside down. Can give you cos theta over sin theta. Sure you understand? Copy this thing down because it will help you. I know why they break am down for you. I know say they no get time break am down for you. So wetin we can do next? Abeg, this one and this one no go cancel. This one no go fit. Wetin you go do? Look for LCM of cos theta sin theta. The answer will give you sin theta cos theta. because two of them go multiply. Either you write down cos theta, sin theta, or sin theta, na the same thing. This one go into this one, meaning this one and this one will cancel. Wetin go remain as sin square theta times sin square theta. Wetin go remain as sin theta times sin theta. We will give us sin square theta. I don't know what I dey talk for my mouth. Plus this one go into this one, meaning sin theta go cancel sin theta, remaining cos theta. Cos theta times cos theta give you cos square theta. But you know what I tell you say, recall say sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That make you need to get note for this my trigonometry class, because it will help you. If you are now 1, I will replace am with 1 over this denominator, maybe sin theta cos theta. Check this thing now, what I do now. Look wetin dey for the left, the right hand side. That this side don prove say this one and this one the same. And wetin dey say make you do? Prove, show. Let me the prove I don't do. First method, second method, which one will you like? Which one will dey simple for you? If you decide finish for comment section, make sure say you like this video, make sure say you share am. If you never join my Telegram platform, the link go there. If you never join my WhatsApp channel, the link go there. If you never follow me for YouTube, Instructor Allison's tutorials, go follow me now. TikTok, na Instructor Allison. Instagram, Instructor Allison. Everywhere, if na Facebook, na Allison Zykios Otwebe, go and search for it, you go see me. Or type Instructor Allison for Google, go carry you show many of my listings. You go follow me there. Now all I get for you today. You need more question, put in my comment section, because I did for you for a trick. And once aspect this is how they do, I never enter other aspect. You need to follow me.